ready, Freddy? Let's do this.
Oh, she did shut down. Oh, maybe.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. In the bushes already. Drone attempt number 2. Ooh, here it comes. Ooh, it's hovering out there. Uh-oh, here it comes.
Huh.
Derek's learning the controls. Oh, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, it's coming at me. Help. Kind of like a bat. Oh, geez. Don't chop my head off. Oh, my goodness. Over my head, over my... Don't go too high up.
Cows right now?
You can see the cows?
Yeah.
Hold on. Over there, that's your view from the drone. Got some cows across the way. Very, very, very cool. You're doing good, honey bear. Doing good with your limited hand control.
Yeah, exactly. It's got that return to home thing when the battery gets low.
How does it know where home is?
It's got GPS on it.
So you'd set it at home or whatever?
Yeah. Okay, so this is up, down, rotate right, rotate left, slide left, slide right, forward, backwards.
Very nice, honey.
So,
Are your hands controlling it
it's
okay?
very difficult. My worst off hand here. it is very difficult to thumb control it. So I end up putting the control on my leg and pretty much using a finger. Now, that limits me on the photo, the video, and angle of the gimbal, but I'll just have to go slow and be deliberate about it.
But very, very cool. You're doing good, honey. Don't land it on our roof.
There was a delay there. All right. Is that pretty cool for maiden flight?
Yeah, you did good, honey. He's trying to land it. There it is. Out of the trees.
You ready to land her on my hand?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You're not confident?
I almost got stuck in a tree right there.
Oh, come on. Ready?
Go, go, go. Down, down.
Easy down.
Down, down.
Easy down. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, off.
Yay!